Hey guys, welcome back to another Clash Julia YouTube video. And today I'm going to teach you how to get a girlfriend full tutorial. If you've seen my how to talk to girls full tutorial, I can only assume that you have now asked out the girl that you like and you have gone on a date with her, because it's a 100% success rate if you follow my script exactly with no changes. Also, I must address my shirt that my brother got me for Christmas. Single, I'm not. Taken, I'm not. Clan leader, hell yeah I am. To the best clan in the fucking world, the Yeets. So anyways, we're going to be playing Trophy Road with this same deck that everyone hates because I don't listen to the haters. Also, I drank an energy drink today and pre-workout before I went to the gym. So I'm kind of still a little on that caffeine kick right now. And actually, day in the life of Clash Royale really quick. Woke up, 7-ish, went to class from 9 a.m. to noon. I get out pretty early on Wednesdays, and today's Wednesday. So I got out at noon, and then I went home, ate lunch, went to my chiropractor, straight from the chiropractor, went to the gym, I hit legs, I was in the sauna, and then I showered, and then I ate again. I had chicken and rice, but it's pounded chicken and lemon rice, literally so fucking good. And I make it myself, thank you, obviously. And then put a Clash Royale YouTube video. Okay. Wait, did I add shower in that? Guys, I showered, I swear. That's why my hair looks fucking whack right now. But it's okay, we're not here for my hair, we're here for my dating advice, which I'll get into right now. So, you have gone on a first date. Now what, Clash Royale? I need another tutorial. Well, don't worry, I have you covered. Stop yelling at me. And basically, what you're going to do is say you had a great time on the first date and would like to go out with her again, okay? And hopefully she says yes. So, you go out on a second date. My recommendation for a second date is, okay, I'm not going to use my freeze because I don't want to overcommit right now when we're up. My recommendation for a second date is some sort of activity, because the first date you probably grabbed a drink at the bar, or you went to a restaurant or whatever. And I think that an activity is where it really shows if you guys are going to be compatible or not. So by activity, I mean like maybe mini golf, driving range. I fuck with the driving range date. Especially driving range that has food, so you can like grab a little bite to eat, but also it's an activity at the driving range. Bowling, I don't know, some sort of activity that you have near you that you're gonna like, and hopefully that she likes. And so that's the second date. Now, let's say you go second date, third date, fourth date. Now it's getting serious, Clash Royale. What am I supposed to do to progress it to a relationship? Well, as we all know, I'm 24. And for me, at my big old age, calling someone your boyfriend is quite serious. I wouldn't call just anyone my boyfriend. And so, basically, I think that it's normal to have a little stage in there where you're not boyfriend and girlfriend, but you're also exclusively seeing each other. Some people disagree with this vehemently, which is totally fine. And also this little stage should like not last too long. It should not become a situationship or whatever. But I think that it's normal to, okay, should I just like freeze this? Whatever. Okay, I don't have any air trips. I think it's normal to, at some point, have a conversation and say, hey, I really like you, and wait, I'm not gonna lose, am I? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, thank god. Anyways. As I said, I'm on my caffeine kick, so I'm sorry, my brain's a little mushy. Okay, now's the time to ask her if she wants to be exclusive. And this is how you can do it, where you're asking her to be exclusive to just see each other, but you're also not asking her to be your girlfriend. So I think the best way to go about it is you guys have a good date, amazing, yay. And then after the date, you say to her, you don't say like, what are we, right? You want to take initiative and say, I really like you, and this is what you say. I'm not going to see anyone else. I'm not going to start seeing anyone else. I'm not seeing anyone else, whatever, however you want to phrase it. Now, this is the best way to do it, because you're not saying to her like, hey, I like you, so you better not be seeing anyone else, right? Oh, crap. You're giving her the opportunity to say, samesies, I'm not seeing anyone else either, or I'm not interested in seeing anyone else. And that's the best way to go about it, in my opinion. So everything's in my opinion here, by the way. None of this is fact. Or at least not proven yet. But I think that's the best way to go about it. I'm going to see if I can kite this back. Go, yes. So you ask her and say, I really like you, and I'm not going to see anyone else. Hopefully she says, me either, I'm not interested in seeing anyone else. And that's when you guys are exclusive, but you don't have a label yet. Now, this phase should not last long. Do not have this phase lasting 3 to 4 months. I personally think it should last about a month, depending on how often you're seeing each other. If you are seeing each other like once, twice a week or something like that, I think a month is fine. Don't go 3 to 4 months without having a conversation about like progressing, the relationship. It's supposed to end in a relationship. But I personally think that, oh, fuck me. Oh, crap. All right, I think we're going to lose this battle. I personally think that it's respectful to have some sort of in-between phase versus like you're single and you can date whoever and then all of a sudden you're boyfriend and girlfriend. At least at my age, again, 24, the big old age of 24, I think that that's the best way to go about it. So really this phase can last as long as you want, but not too long. Okay, so it can last as short as you want, basically. I would recommend, again, around a month, just like maybe 2 to 3 dates more or something like that. And that's when you then ask her if she wants to be your girlfriend. And the way to do this is it doesn't need to be something crazy, okay? We see the people from Love Island taking people to Paris and getting them a 1,000 roses and acting like they're proposing to ask someone to be their girlfriend. You don't need to do that, okay? It's not that crazy. But it can be a nice thing. So I would recommend after you go on a date, maybe you go and get dinner, whatever, and after you just had a good date, you say to her and literally just be like, just ask if she wants to be your girlfriend. And okay, I low-key, oh fuck, I should have fucking froze that. Oh my god, guys, I'm such an idiot. I'm too busy giving you guys advice. He's just, what? All right, I need to build up another push here because I low-key thought I was gonna get that tower because I was distracted. But anyways, now hopefully she says yes and she's your girlfriend. If you end up getting married, I will officiate the wedding. I don't know if you're asking, like I will officiate free of charge, don't worry. Yay, oh my god, another W. Guys, I've gotten through so much advice in just these 2 games. It's the caffeine. I can talk fast. Now, again, the period of you're exclusive, but there's really no like boyfriend-girlfriend label should not last too long. You don't want to get into like situationship territory. This should be a stepping stone to a relationship. And if it doesn't work out, it obviously doesn't work out. You end it, she ends it, whatever. Hopefully it works out and you guys get married and you can cite Class Julia as the reason for your beautiful relationship. So anyways, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.